Central Park. She still recorded everything.
This is so nice.
Yeah, no, it is for real. And, oh wait, look at this. Look at this like little entrance. Oh, this is so, yeah. It's like a little walkway. I'm in it right now. Yo, this is so cute. She said photo shoot. Yeah, no, you're gonna see pictures right here.
You're gonna see like.
You're gonna
like,
see
an actual like video shoot. Like we're gonna come back to shoot
a video shoot.
It's not gonna be a photo shoot. It's gonna be a video shoot.
No, it looks so good though.
Yeah, it looks like it's like a green wonderland.
Yeah,
like,
she's so dramatic.
This is Miss Carla here. We kept saying surfboard.
Wow.
Is this it? The mask? No.
This is my cousin. So we're trying to find my mom's friend Jaxx, right?
Jaxx.
She doesn't think that Jaxx is a real
Everyone
person.
keeps saying Jaxx. We can't find her. She's not real.
We're looking for her right now, but every time we look for her, she's not there, which makes her believe.
She's not here. She's not here.
They got live music. Wait. Oh, wow. Hey, look at her. Oh, we off to find Jaxx. We off to find Jaxx.
They describe Jaxx as being short, tall, black, with short red hair.
With short, she said red tinted hair.
Red tinted hair.
So that's what Jaxx is, that's what they think she looked like. They're in for a surprise.
I didn't say that. Toxic did that. She's not here, though. I'm not getting a Jaxx vibe.
I'm not getting a Jaxx vibe.
Okay.
Jaxx.
There's
Oh
Jaxx.
my God.
There's Jaxx.
We found Jaxx, y'all.
Stairs, guys, stairs.
We gotta go up. She's upstairs.
Oh my goodness, what are we doing? Where the hell is Jaxx?
You agree with her? You think Jaxx is black with red hair?
No, I think she's 90 years old.
I was told I can't say anything.
Well, okay, if it's Sierra's godmother, it has to be at least older than Sierra.
That's not his god.
So,
Okay.
probably an adult.
Okay. You're getting there.
Yeah,
Oh.
I don't know. Beyond that, she's
Well, I'm just gonna say that I see her.
Oh, the cigar right there.
Jaxx! We found you! I'm recording, by the way. She's real. I told y'all she was real.
Hey.
So the boat hasn't left yet. But I can't wait to get to the island so we could see in the water. Our water's so dirty here. I can't wait to see some clear water. So this is like sport. They have golf. What is this? Oh, this is the zip lining? Oh yeah, we zip lining, yeah.
She has a wristband on.
Told you need the wristband.
Wait, how do you get the wristband?
Here.
Does it last for the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Okay, so we're gonna get the wristband to go ziplining on the cruise. Wow, wait, what are we ziplining over?
Might as well.
Oh, that's, wow.
Is that a TV?
Who we just where?
So we gotta zipline over this.
And that's why these.
Word. Wow. Okay. Hey y'all. Yo. There's literally so much of our family on this boat. No matter where you go, you're gonna see them. Oh, it's the surfing. Yo. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You have to remove your necklace, your earrings, and you need the shirt. Enjoy your
Thank
time.
you.
It's good for all the activities, right?
Yes, fluoride, the rope or ice skating.
We just found some froyo. Yo, as soon as I finish this ice cream, I'm about to get me some pizza.
Some pizza.
Some French fries. Okay. I don't even care. Okay. So we saw some dolphins. now we're trying to find them.
I just saw it.
Where? Oh, I see one right there. Okay, I see some there.
Apparently I was taping this the whole time.
I'm trying to find the dolphins. Oh, there's one right there.
Let's take a shot!
I want them to jump.
See them?
Yeah.
They're gonna come up. See them?
We live on the 10th floor, but we're walking down to 6 because we live for the next 7 days. We live on the 10th floor. We're walking down to 6. So I guess we got to do this safety thing in case of emergencies. So yeah, we have G1. It says it on my card, G1. Right there.
Very serious.
Very serious. So
Everybody needs to know.
yeah. If emergency situations happen.
Obviously, we're not going to put that into existence.
No, we are not.
It's always good to know.
They're gonna take it care of
Thank you.
I'm lucky ain't scammed.
Yeah.
Didn't make a noise.
You're going to place the 2 panels on front and you're going to attach them once again through the Velcro strip, making sure that each and every single panel is aligned correctly.
Alright, so we're in the spa. So we're in the spa and we're doing a raffle to win, what is it, $500?
Yeah.
Worth of like spa services, yep, which means massages, facials, all of that. We all filled out like
5 cards in each.
I filled out 4 cards. We're only allowed to fill out 1, and then like 2 if you did some special thing that we didn't do.
If someone from our party doesn't win, it's probably rigged.
Yeah, it's rigged if we don't win because we all filled out like multiple cards. How many you filled out?
2.
How many you filled out? How many you filled out?
I think I did 4.
4, me too. Alright, bet. We probably shouldn't be saying this that loud. But let's see who wins. We're having a party on the top deck. And we're finally about to leave. I'm excited. We've been on the boat for like 3 hours already. And we haven't left. We're about to leave now though. We haven't even started moving. Yeah, we haven't even, but it's lit.
Look at that thing. That's just Anthem on the song. Anthem. Oh, there's another one called Ovation that looks just like it.
Word, that's Anthem. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. After one